Writing is hard,
And getting started is even harder. Acree is my answer. It's my own on-demand personal writing teacher that helps me write my paper from start to finish.
anytime, anywhere.
I have a paper due for class, and Acree is ready to walk me through the entire process.
My introduction is strong, but in this paragraph, Acree is telling me that I'm not connecting my evidence to my topic. I need to make sure that the smaller points support the topic. As I revise this section, Acree instantly rechecks my work, and now I have a green feedback point, telling me I'm on the right track.
And giving me advice on what comes next.
Acree lets me know what I've written well, what needs a minor change, and what needs serious revision. This is more than just fixing my grammar. I'm learning how to say what I think and support my ideas. With Acree, writing isn't as challenging as it used to be. I feel confident in what I'm saying and submitting because Acree gives me the help I need from the moment I sit down to write.